This dishwasher stopped working all of a sudden. I noticed one day the lights are on, but the dishes are not clean. So that got me thinking, what could cause this problem? So what I started to do is I started investigating. I started looking at the switch, make sure the switch is not broken, nothing is obstructing, nothing is loose, make sure the door closed properly, make sure there's nothing I should worry about. So I made sure I did that. And then after closing the door, I had to make sure I heard a click, or I heard what I usually hear when the door is closed. Make sure that's fine. When the sprinkler comes on, the door doesn't come off or anything like that. So what I found was this blade was off-centered. It wasn't sitting properly. So what I did was I took the blade out, made sure there's nothing causing it for it to be unseated. So I put everything back. I put the blade back. I tested it. It looks fine. I wanted to check, make sure there's nothing in the drain. While I have it open, while I have the rack out, I want to make sure the filter is clean. There's nothing to worry about there. I'm not expecting nothing big there, but minor stuff like pins or something could go in there and cause issues. So far everything looks good. Only thing I found was the off-centered blade, which I put it back in place, and it's spinning very well. Maybe a fork or a spoon, something got on the way and got it off-centered, causing the dishwasher to not work. While I have it open, I'm checking the top. The ceiling looks good. The rack goes back in and back out fine. This blade spins very well, not an issue, so I should be okay. And another thing I would do is I would look around the seal. Make sure the seal's okay, there's nothing leak, because I don't have any water leak, so I don't have to worry about the seal. But since I got it open, why not check? So I hope this information helps you. I had no other issues after I found that blade off-centered. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.